Hello students. So last class we have discussed continuity 4 marks questions. So in this session we will discuss 4 marks question from part E section, the determinants. So here two standard examples are there. So most probably these examples will appear for a 4 marks. So these two examples we'll discuss in this session. So here there is a one question: if A equal to the matrix is given, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0, then it should satisfy this equation. Then we have to find the value of A inverse using the above equation. So let us verify this. So solution, I am taking LHS part. LHS part is A square minus 5A plus 7I. So here A square means the matrix A into matrix A, that is matrix A is 3 1 minus 1 2 into it is a 3 1 minus 1 2 it is. A square is A into A. Then further minus as it is, 5 as it is, we have to substitute A. A is the matrix 3 1 minus 1 2. So further plus 7 as it is, plus 7 as it is, and 1 is the identity matrix. The order is as that of a matrix A. Here we observe that matrix A is 2 cross 2 matrix. So it is a square matrix of order 2. Here also we have to take square matrix of order 2. So we get a 1 0 0 1. So further matrix multiplication we have to do. Matrix multiplication you know. So corresponding row is multiplied with a corresponding column. That is first row is multiplied by first column. 3 into 3 it is a 9. Plus 1 into minus 1 it is a minus 1. Next 3 ones are 3. Next 1 into 2 2 it is. Next second row is multiplied by first column. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Next plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Next minus 1 into minus plus 1 minus 1. 2 into 2 it is a 4. So matrix multiplication we have performed. So further minus is as it is. Now every element we have to multiply by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 2s are 10. So further plus as it is, 7 is multiplied with every element, 7 0 0 7. So further we have to simplify the first matrix. So we get this as 9 minus 1 8, 5 minus 5 3. Then minus as it is, 15, 5 minus 5 10. Then further 7 0 0 7. So further we'll simplify this. So we get this as 8 first element, now subtracted with a second, minus is there minus 15, then plus is there plus 7. So first element with the first element, every matrix first element we have to take it. So respect to operation we have to do. Here minus minus plus plus we have to do. So further next element 5 minus 5 plus 0. Now third element minus 5, next minus into minus plus 5 plus 0. Next last element 3 minus 10 plus 7. So simplifying this we get it as 0 0 0 0. This we call it as a RHS. So we get it as a RHS. So it will satisfy the equation. See, we have taken a LHS part, a square minus of 5a plus 7i, and we have substituted a, we have calculated a square. Simplification, we got a RHS as a O0 matrix, therefore satisfies. Now using this equation, so we will calculate the value of a inverse. So it is a very simple. I am taking the given expression. It is given that a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. For excuse me, see, we'll write a solution for I. Now first for a 7i. So 7i equal to minus 5a is a plus in sign, transporting minus, we get it, plus 5a, and plus a square, it will become minus a square. Now 7 we will divide it, so throughout this equation we will divide by 7, so we get this as I equal to 1 by 7 5a minus a square. So further, now we want the value of a inverse. Now, so throughout this equation we will multiply by a inverse. So a inverse into I, we get a inverse. Then 1 by 7 is as it is. Then a into a inverse, we get a I into 5 I, we get it. And a inverse into a square, 1a get cancels, we are going to get a here. So further, a inverse equal to 1 by 7 as it is, 5 as it is, I is, it is a identity matrix 1 0 0 1, minus a is a given matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, close this, close the bracket also. Then further 1 upon 7 as it is, so multiply 5 to a matrix, we get a 5 0 0 5, minus 3 1 minus 1 2, close this also. So simplification, we get this as 1 upon 7, it is 2 minus 1 1 3. This is a value of a inverse. This is a value of a inverse. So simplification is very simple. So we have to take a LHS part of a given expression, and we should get a RHS. We got it. So this is the first part. Second part is, it is satisfying a equation. Write a solution for a I. Further, both side multiply by a inverse, then substitute I and a value, then simplifying, we get a inverse answer. Okay, so this is an example. So we'll move to a next example. This equation is, show that the matrix is defined and satisfying a equation, and then find a inverse. So solution, we'll take a LHS. LHS is a square minus 4a plus I. So a square, a into a, it is 2 3 1 2, 2 3 1 2. Then minus 4 as it is, a 2 3 1 2 plus I is a identity matrix 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Further, a square matrix multiplication, we should perform it. So you know the matrix multiplication. So it is 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 1 3. It is a switch multiplication. First row is multiplied by first column. This is over. Now first row is multiplied by second column. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. Now second row is multiplied by first column. So 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 1 2. Now second row is multiplied by second column. It is 1 into 3 3 plus 2 2s are 4. Then minus as it is. 4 is multiplied with every element. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Then we get it at this as 1 0 0 1. So further we will simplify this. Simplification is 7 12 4 7. Then minus 8 12 4 8 plus 1 0 0 1. Then we'll simplify this. So simplification we get it as a 0 0 0 0. Therefore this we can call it as a O, and this is RHS. So we have taken a LHS, we got a RHS, therefore satisfies this equation. Then that equation will take it a square minus 4a plus I equal to 0. Then we will write a solution for I. So I equal to rest other things we should transport it to RHS. So minus 4a it will become plus 4a, plus a square it will become minus a square. Further, so both the side will multiply by a inverse. As I have explained in a last example, the operation it will remain same. So I into a inverse we get it. So 4 into a inverse we get a identity matrix, minus a square into a inverse we are going to get a 1a. Then further 4 as it is, I is 1 0 0 1 minus a is 2 3 1 2. Then 4 is multiplied with the first matrix, so we get a 4 0 0 4. Then we get a next as 2 3 1 2. Then simplifying this we get this as 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. This is our A inverse. This is our A inverse. So dear students, we have studied two examples here. So possibility of this example is it will come in a part E section. Part E section there is a distribution 6 and 4 marks. So this is a possible 4-mark question. So everyone prepare it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much once again.